Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the Hair by Kate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a chocolate brown color melt using all Pulp Riot color. This is our starting point. It's a faded out color that we did months and months ago. So we're going to be doing two formulas, one for the base color, which is going to be a deeper color. So that's going to give us a really nice shadow root. Then we're going to be color melting into a lighter color on the mids and ends so we have a lot of dimension and a really nice cohesive blend. I am going to be posting all of my formulas in the description box down below, so make sure you check those out if you want to see exactly what I used on my model. And I want to go ahead and remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, so you don't miss any videos that come out. And if you're looking for more in-depth education, there are two links in the description box down below. One will take you to all of my existing virtual color classes, and the other will take you to a page where you can purchase tickets for any of my upcoming color classes. Some are in person and some are virtual, just depending on when exactly you watch this video. So check those out if you want a little more of a detailed educational experience. So I am using a color melt technique to create this chocolate brown hair color formula, and it's really easy to achieve on your own if you're using Pulp Riot color, because Pulp Riot is known for being able just to blend really easily on its own without a lot of extra effort on the stylist part. So I'm using a deeper shade for this base color, which I'm dragging down from her root to about 2 to 4 inches down, and then I'm applying the lighter shade on the mids and ends. And to get that color melt, all you have to do is blend the colors together with your fingers where the colors meet. So I'm just going back where the base color stopped and the mids and ends color starts, and taking my fingers and kind of meshing those two colors together so they end up blending and creating a really cohesive blend all the way down. We're going to be using this technique through every section of the hair, so just watch along so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Once our application is complete, we're just going to let her process at room temperature for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then we're going to shampoo really well, condition, and then blow out and style. And here is our final look. I am completely obsessed with how rich of a chocolate brown shade you can create with the Pulp Riot Faction 8 line. It's got so much depth to it while leaving enough dimension in the hair that it doesn't look flat, and I'm just totally in love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you checking out this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!